Introduction to workplace health and safety. Work health and safety, also known as occupational health and safety, referring to practice, policy, regulation aimed at ensuring the safety, health, and well-being of employees. Why workplace health and safety is important? The first one is employee protection. Uh, protect Why important? Because protecting employee reduce the risk of work-related incident, creating a safer and more secure work environment. The second one is compliance with the law. Why important? Because compliance with workplace health and safety help organization avoid legal penalties, fines, and potential lawsuit. It also demonstrates the company commitment to following legal requirement and maintaining ethical standard. The third one is increase productivity. Why important? Because when employee feel safe and their health and protected, they are likely to be more focused, motivated, and productive. Reduce activities and lower turnover rate are additional benefit as employee are less likely to take time off due to work-related injuries or illness. Why it is important to align the workplace health and safety program with business goal? Companies can create a safer work environment, increase employee satisfaction, and achieve long-term business success. This alignment ensures that health and safety are not seen as separate or secondary consideration, but an integral component of the overall business. Ethical, legal, and social responsibility associated with workplace health and safety. The first one is ethical responsibility. Moral obligation is employee have a moral duty to ensure the health and safety of their employee. The second one is legal liability. Compliance with the law is adhering to all relevant health and safety regulation and standards set by governmental and regulatory bodies. And the last one is social responsibility. Has contribution to communicate welfare is engaging in practice that benefit broader community as supporting local health and safety initiative and contributing to the well of society. Potential consequences of pure workplace health and safety practice. The first one is injuries and death. Second one is high medical cost and compensation. The third one is penalties and lawsuit. The fourth one is operational disruption, and the last one is psychological stress in employee. Causes and consequences of workplace accident. Common causes of workplace accident has lack of training, unsafe working condition, unsafe behavior, fatigue and stress, use of the wrong tool or machine, and the last one is lack of oversight.
Now I want to explain for benefit of safe and healthy working environments. First is personal safety improvements, implementing robust safety protocols and training minimize workplace accident and injuries, promoting a culture of safety, and reducing sick days and a long-term health issue. For the second is financial benefit. Fewer accidents lead to lower costs for medical expenses, worker compensation, and legal fee, as well as lower insurance premium due to a good safety records. Third is production gains, safe work environments, reduce disruption, and allow employee to focus on tasks, ensuring consistency, productivity by minimizing time off due to work-related injuries than illness. Fourth is enhance employee trust, morale, and job satisfaction. Commitment to safety builds employee trust, foster as a positive work environment, boost morale, and increase job satisfaction, leading to higher retention rates. 5 is reputation as an employee of choice. A strong safety record attract top talent and enhance the company industry reputations, providing a competitive advantage. Now I want to explain about integrating safety and health consideration. For the first is job design, second is employee selection and training. Now I want to explain for the first is job design. Short prioritize safety considerations to minimize risk and create healthy work environments. This involves structured tasks, workflows, and the physical setup of the workplace to reduce potential hazards. Secondly is employee selection. It's critical as it ensures that the right individuals, qualified and capable of adhering to safety protocols are chosen for specific roles. This process includes evaluating candidates' awareness and commitment to safety practice. Lastly, is training is essential in equipping employees with the necessary knowledge and skill to perform their duty safety. Regular training session on safety procedures, emergency response, and health regulations help maintain a safety culture within the organization. This is for the explaining for integrating safety for the consideration. The next part is for consequences. Now I want to explain for integrating safety and health into human resource management for the consequence of neglecting workplace health and safety in the human resource process. First is increased workplace accidents. Neglecting can lead to more frequent and severe workplace accidents. This can harm employee and result in injuries, disability, or even fatalities, which can have a long-lasting impact on both the affected individual and the organization. Second is financial costs. Workplace accident and poor health and safety practice can lead to significant final costs for an organization. These costs include medical expenses, compensation claims, legal fee, and increased insurance premiums. Additionally, there can be indirect costs such as lost productivity and hiring temporary staff. The third is reduced productivity. When the employees are injured or unwell, their productivity decreases. Additionally, unsafe working conditions can lead to higher absenteeism rates and lower employee morals. Further is reducing overall productivity. Four is reputation damage. Organizations that fail to prioritize risk damaging their reputations. Negative publicity from workplace accidents or unsafe practice can harm an organization's public image, leading to a lost trust among customers, investors, and potential employees. This damage can be long-term and difficult to repair. That's it for the consequences of neglecting workplace health and safety in the human resource management.
Hello, I'm Hariza. Today I will be presenting on the role of the Australian Safety and Compensation Council, ASCC, in improving workplace safety and workers' compensation in Australia. The ASCC has several important roles which can be summarized as follows. First, creating policies. The ASCC was responsible for developing policies aimed at enhancing workplace safety and ensuring fair compensation for workers. Secondly, setting standards. They established standards to ensure this policy were effectively implemented and maintained across various industries. Thirdly, research and data. Conducting research and collecting data was crucial for informed decision making and continuous improvement in workplace safety measures. And number 4, education and promotion. The ASCC play a key role in educating employers and employees about safety practices and promoting a culture of safety. And number 5, coordination. They coordinated efforts among different stakeholders to ensure cohesive and effective implementation of safety standards. Last one, advisory role. The ASCC provided expert advice to the government and other bodies on matters related to workplace safety and compensation. In summary, the ASCC was instrumental in creating a safer work environment in Australia through its comprehensive approach to policy making, standard setting, research, education, coordinating, and advisory roles. And we will move to the next slide. And in this slide, we will discuss the tripartite approach involving employers, unions, and the government. The strategy focuses on worker compensation and safety through cooperation between these three entities. Each has a specific role to play. Firstly, employers, responsible for providing a safe working environment and fair compensation to their employees. Secondly, unions, advocate for workers' rights and ensure that their needs and concerns are addressed. Lastly, government, sets regulations and standards to protect workers and ensures compliance by employers. Together, these three groups form a cohesive strategy that benefits businesses and workers alike, promoting a safe and fair working environment. And in this segment, we will examine an example of the tripartite approach in action. Singapore's Workplace Safety and Health Council, WSHC, to enhance workplace safety, and the WSHC collaborates with businesses, unions, and the government. Here are some key initiatives they undertake. Firstly, Total WSH program. This comprehensive program integrates health and safety measures to ensure the well-being of workers. Secondly, guidelines and standards. The WSHC develops and enforces guidelines and standards to maintain high safety levels in various industries. Lastly, safety management system. Implementing robust safety management system helps organizations proactively identify and mitigate risk. By employing these strategies, the WSHC aims to create a safer and healthier working environment for all. And before the last one, we explore the emergence of EOHS, Electronic Occupational Health and Safety, and how web technologies are enhancing workplace safety. Key methods include, number one, monitoring. There is use of sensors to continuously monitor workplace condition. And there is cloud platform, storing and analyzing data on cloud platform for real-time insight. Secondly, data analysis. There is big data, leveraging large data sets to identify trends and risks. And there is machine learning, applying machine learning algorithm to predict and prevent safety incident. Lastly, training. There is online courses providing comprehensive safety training through online platforms. And lastly, webinar, hosting webinars to keep workers updated on the latest safety practices. These technological advancements are crucial in creating a safer and more efficient working environment. And for the last slide, to further illustrate how web technologies enhance worker safety, let's consider two specific examples. Number one, real-time machinery monitoring, IoT sensor. These sensors are installed on machinery to monitor their performance in real time. They can detect any abnormalities or potential issues immediately, allowing for quick intervention to prevent accidents. Secondly, big data analytics, predicting behavior. By analyzing large data sets, companies can predict and profile employee behavior that might lead to a safety incident. This proactive approach helps in taking preventive measures before any incident occurs. This technology provides straightforward yet powerful methods to significantly improve workplace safety.
Hello everyone, today's part of our HRM team, I will discuss some critical current occupational health and safety issues that we need to address to maintain a safe and productive workplace. First, let's discuss remote work and ergonomics. With more employees working from home, it's essential for us to ensure that home office setups are ergonomically sound to prevent musculoskeletal disorders. We will provide guidelines on proper chair and desk heights, monitor positions, and the use of ergonomic accessories. Additionally, we encourage regular breaks and stretching exercises to reduce strain. Next, mental health is a significant concern. Increased stress and burnout can lead to serious mental health issues. To address this, we will implement support systems such as employee assistance programs, provide access to counseling services, and offer stress management workshops. Promoting work-life balance and creating a supportive work environment are crucial steps we will take to ensure employees' mental well-being. Now onto the electrical safety. Faulty wiring and overloaded circuits pose significant risk in the workplace. We will conduct regular inspections and maintenance of electrical system to prevent accidents. Employees will receive training on safe electrical practices such as not overloading power outlets and using surge protectors. Proper labeling of electrical panels and circuits will also help to prevent mishaps. Fire safety is another critical area. Common fire hazards include flammable materials and electrical faults. To mitigate this risk, we will conduct regular fire drills and ensure the availability of fire extinguishers and communicate clear evacuation plans. Employees will also be trained on the use of fire safety equipment. Finally, workplace violence is a serious issue that includes physical assaults, bullying, and harassment. We will establish a zero-tolerance policy for workplace violence. Employees will be trained to recognize and report violent behavior, and we will provide support systems for those affected. Promoting a culture of respect and safety is essential to prevent workplace violence. In conclusion, addressing these key occupational health and safety issues, remote work ergonomics, mental health and electrical safety, fire safety, and workplace violence is vital for the well-being of our employees and the success of our company. By staying informed and proactive, we can create a safer and healthier work environment for everyone. Thank you.